Hey there fellow travelers, it's Yllara Maia from The Ultimate Tourist, and today I'm here to share with you why the DJI Osmo Pocket is the best travel vlogging camera for 2023. So if you're a beginner trying to up your vlogging game, stay tuned because this video is for you. If you guys aren't familiar with DJI, they are the same brand that manufactures a lot of the drones that are out there. So they are a reputable brand known for putting out a lot of great quality products. First, let's talk about the Osmo Pocket II's compact size and portability. This is one of my absolute favorite things about this camera. It's super small, it's cute, and it fits right in your pocket, hence the name Osmo Pocket. This camera is perfect for on-the-go vlogging, and it doesn't take that much space at all, so you can literally store it anywhere and you won't have to lug around a bunch of heavy, big, clunky equipment. Next, the Osmo Pocket II has an impressive 3-axis gimbal, which means buttery smooth footage even when you're on the move. When I was first looking for a vlogging camera, I really wanted something that would give me stable footage because I knew that I would be walking and talking with the camera majority of the time that I went on my trips. And at first I got a GoPro, which I ended up hating it. Long story short, I traded it in for the Osmo Pocket for reasons that I will discuss next. This is one of the most important things about this camera. It is incredibly easy to use, especially for beginners. If you're not familiar with photography and film lingo, you're probably wicked confused by all the fancy features that professional cameras come with. I was too when I first started. I watched dozens of videos of these well-known YouTubers talking about FPS and bitrate, yada yada yada, and all this stuff that I had absolutely no clue what they were talking about. And all I really wanted was something that was portable, easy to use, and that filmed some great quality footage. That's it. And I was able to figure out this camera and all of its features on the first day that I bought it. It was incredibly simple and I just totally fell in love with it. If you are familiar with the film and photography lingo, the DJI Osmo Pocket II shoots in 4K and HD up to 60 FPS. It also comes with a little control stick that allows you to pan, tilt, roll, and zoom. So you can do way more with this camera than just point and shoot. The camera films in both directions, so you can go ahead and have it facing towards you if you're shooting a vlog, or if you want to shoot something that's facing away from your face, you can go ahead and just flip the camera just like this, and it will turn the other way. It also comes with 4 microphones on every side of the camera, so you don't necessarily have to worry about if your voice is projecting towards the microphone or not. Regardless of which way you're holding the camera, you're always going to have a microphone facing towards you. The other thing that I absolutely love about this camera is the battery life. I was super disappointed with the GoPro. Whenever I tried to film with it consecutively, it would just die super fast. This camera has a much better battery life. The operating time, according to the specs on their website, is about 140 minutes, but I believe it is only if you shoot with the camera for 140 minutes straight without stopping. So what I like to do is I carry a portable charger with me so I can keep my phone, my camera, and everything else I need charged when I'm not using it. So whenever I'm not using this camera, I usually will plug it in for a few hours and it will be fully charged, and I can pretty much use it all the time without having the camera die on me. Now that you know some of the greatest features of the DJI Osmo Pocket II, let's compare it with some of the other highly rated cameras on the market. For pricing, if you purchase just the camera, it's about $349 on Amazon, which is about the same price as the GoPro Hero 10, that also sits at $349. However, it is way cheaper than its other big competitor, which is the Sony ZV-1, which is a whopping $749. So not only does this camera give you great quality footage, but it's also way more affordable than a lot of its competitors on the market. For about $150 more, you can also choose to get the curated combo for this camera, which is the option that I opted for. It comes with some really cool gadgets like a wireless microphone, a micro tripod, wide-angle lens, and a smartphone adapter so that you can connect the camera to your phone and use the DJI app where you can upload your videos instantly and even edit content right then and there. There are a few different options for this camera on Amazon and a lot of people selling refurbished items. So make sure that you purchase the right one. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description of the exact product that I ended up getting on Amazon so that you guys don't end up purchasing anything that you don't want or that might not necessarily have come from the DJI store. As a travel vlogger, I've been using the DJI Osmo Pocket II for my recent trips, like my Egypt vlog series. This camera has made capturing my adventures so much easier and more enjoyable. I even nicknamed my Osmo Pocket baby camera. This thing is like my child. So there you have it. The DJI Osmo Pocket II is the best vlogging camera for 2023 based on its size, portability, stabilization, and affordability. If you're looking to upgrade your vlogging equipment, I highly recommend that you give it a try, whether you are a beginner and you're just starting, or you know a little bit more about film and photography and you're just looking for something that's a little bit easier to carry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you on the next video.